Welcome to the EdbMails PST to Office 365 Migration, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails PST to Office 365 Migrator offers a seamless solution to migrate data from PST files directly to Office 365. It effectively recovers corrupt, damaged, or inaccessible PST files while ensuring accurate recovery of mailbox items, including emails, calendars, contacts, tasks, and more. With its intuitive interface, EdbMails simplifies the migration process, making it efficient and user-friendly, even for large PST files. EdbMails lets you preview all PST file contents before migration, providing a comprehensive view of your data. The software ensures data integrity throughout the process and employs advanced security measures such as SSL/TLS encryption, OAuth 2.0, and multi-factor authentication. Certified with ISO and compliant with GDPR and HIPAA standards, EdbMails guarantees a secure and reliable environment for migrating PST files to Office 365. Let's explore the step-by-step procedure for migrating PST files to Office 365 with EdbMails.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select Outlook PST Recovery and Migration. Select PST to Office 365. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Click Browse for PST file. Select the PST file. Click Open. Click Next to continue. Wait until recovery operation completion. Expand the mailbox. Select the mailbox folders that you wish to migrate. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the target Office 365. Select the required connection methods. Click Next to continue. Select one of the authentication method. Click Login to continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-In page with Global Admin account.
Click Sign In.
Accept the required permissions. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Next to continue. Select the required mapping option.
Click Continue.
EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. Click Start Migration.
Migration operation under progress.
Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click View Logs button to get the migration report. That's it for a hassle-free PST to Office 365 migration. Visit edbmails.com today.